What's going on, Domination Crew? It's Rico, and today we're going to be talking about how one of our students did over $6,000 with his store in his first month.
All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives.
Alright guys, welcome if you're new to the channel. My name is Rico. Me and my partner Dan, we talk about all things Amazon, e-commerce, stuff like that, general entrepreneurship type crap. And so if you guys are interested in that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, stick around because you may win some free stuff. So we're going to be talking about how one of our students did these results right here. $6,000, man, it's over $6,000. He did that in a matter of a few weeks. Not even an entire month, in a matter of a few weeks. And we're going to talk about exactly how he did it. As you guys know, we do have a course. It's right there down below. Shameless plug. So with this course, you guys obviously get all of the mentorship that it includes. Like our students will tell you, even people who are in a Facebook group, whether they're not, whether they're in the course or not, they'll tell you. We answer questions all the time. We're up to like 1, 2 o'clock in the morning most nights just answering all your questions, helping you guys out because we want you guys to be successful. We want you guys to sell. So in this student's case, he initially was kind of skeptical about selling on Amazon. And of course we helped him out, we hyped him up and all that. And we're like, yo, you can definitely do it and everything's gonna be fine and good. So when he first started, he had no idea what to start selling, which is what a lot of people, run into, the issues that a lot of people actually run into. Product research seems to be the bane of everyone's existence, but you have to get good with it, you have to make it happen. But in order to compensate for that, I find products that, you guys can sell, products that we sell, that we have sold, products that I know sell. I have them listed in the course. And it just makes it easier for anyone to sign up for the course, get in, go through those products, those hundreds of products, pick a few, and then start selling. And that's what we did for him. He wanted to know what sells really well. So through coaching, we're like, hey, look, these are what we sell. The geek niche does extremely well. You make tons of money with it. You can do all types of ridiculous things within that particular niche. The suppliers are generally very responsive and people are very passionate about products that go in there, that go inside that niche. Same thing with babies, pets, stuff like that. People are very, very passionate about their kids. I'm a parent, I know all about it. I'm very passionate about my children. I have a cat. You guys know the whole backstory on that stuff, man. Like I was not ever expecting to be a cat owner, but somehow I got, grace with this furry animal that's running around making all types of noises you guys probably hear. But besides that, you have to really get into the mindset that you're going to make money. And that was one thing that he wasn't doing at first. And I'm like, yo, you got this, bro. You got this. Don't worry about it. We're going to help you every step of the way. These are the things that you should sell in. He was a little, uncomfortable at first because he didn't know what to sell. And it seemed, it was one of those things where like, I don't know what to sell. I don't even know what I really like or what I'm good at. So to combat that, put in tons of products. I'm like, yo, guys, here's hundreds of products that you guys can pick from and you can start selling today. And that's what happened. He picked those products, he picked a few of them, started selling, boom, $6,000 later, he's awesome. And the same goes for all of our other students too. They get to pick the products that are up there and they start selling and there you go. And guys, before you even say, oh, they're gonna get saturated, blah, 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 there's literally hundreds of products in hundreds of different variations and I'm adding to it all the time. So like every day I go through and add a few products here and there. So by the end of the year, you're probably gonna be seeing around 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 products, listed in the course so that way anyone can come in, grab those products and start selling same day. I want to make it as easy as humanly possible for you guys. And in that case, I made it very, very easy for this student and for all the others. And he started selling and making a ton of money. His bundles are just ridiculous. Like he just has fantastic bundles. I mean, he took the training to heart and killed it. So first off, this is what he did. He found a niche that he likes selling in, regardless of whether, we helped him out with that, that's irrelevant. He found a niche that he's really, really passionate about, that he's selling in. He started providing value right off the bat with amazing bundles, like absolutely crushes it. He's crushing it with these bundles, guys. Like there's just no way around it. I mean, he's killing it. Like he's killing it. There's no other way to put it. So there's that. It's finding something that he's, very passionate about, something he knows very well, providing value, and then executing. Okay, so he has executed on that plan fantastically. He's taken all of that knowledge, even the product templates. So we have, product templates up there so that way people can come in, take a look at those product templates and be like, all right, this is how I structure my product template from the title all the way through my bullet points to my product description. And then we even have some, some search terms that we've actually used that help sell in that category. So that is, how you're going to go about doing those things. And that's what he did. He took a look at those and was like, oh, okay, so here's the templates, here's the products. here's all the information, here's the templates. All right, this is perfect. And he just put everything together, and bam, we started selling, making over $6,000. This is just month one, guys, just month one. So I'd imagine in like 2-3 months he'll be doing double, if not triple that. Like he should easily eclipse the 10K mark next month. Big things for him and big things for the other students coming. We have a couple guys who are doing 4 figures right now, same as him, and then we have a couple people that are doing 5. So we're trying to see how this is going to pan out. So like all the new students in this particular class, for this particular month or so, we're seeing how they all stack up against each other. So every new class that comes in each month, we try to have a little competition and see who's selling the best and giving those people iPads and stuff like that. So all right, man, that's been it. That's how this gentleman has made over $6,000 within just a few weeks. He's listened to everything that we said. He took our advice, grabbed some of those products that are in the course, and literally started printing money. You can listen to all these other gurus out there and they're like, oh, you have to find your own products, or you come over to Team 2 Dudes and we literally give you products to sell and help you out every step of the way. I mean, I think that's spoon feeding. I don't even think that's mentorship. That's spoon feeding. But whatever. I don't care. If it's helping you guys, we will spoon feed you guys all day, and you guys can go and sell and be super, super successful. So, with that being said, man, make sure you guys check out the links below, man. The free Facebook group, like I said before. Talk about all types of stuff in there, man. We're trying to help you guys out. Also, the free ebook. You guys need to get the ebook, man. I don't know why you guys don't have an ebook. A lot of people say you guys want like a free training. I think that's what we're going to do next. We're going to do like a free, master class for you guys to kind of help you out. But besides that, man, be safe out there. And if you can't be safe, at least be smart about the crap that you're doing. We're going to see you guys in the next one. Peace out.